Today's lesson is going to be on the intro piano part to Come Sail Away by Styx. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this song is a hand independence workout with a very clear left hand and right hand part. Our left hand is playing these chords from the C major scale. C major, the 1 chord, D minor, the 2 chord, E minor, the 3 chord, back to D minor, back to C, and then down to G, the 5 chord, and then back up to C major, the 1 chord. And we're going to be arpeggiating these chords with this pattern. So as you can see, each one goes twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. So the right hand part goes like this. I'll play that real slow. E, D, C, E, F, D, C, F, G, D, C, G, F, D, C. C, B, A, B, C, and then down an octave to this C, and then this trill between B and C. A, B, C. Now here's what the hands look like coming together. Now, in my experience teaching this to people, it seems like the hardest part is here. For several reasons. The first is that our right hand is playing a 16th note subdivision, and on the last note of it, our left hand changes chords. This part. Right there. So we got to be really careful about all the little maneuvers there. Do it slow and isolate just that section. Do it over and over. Do it really slow if you need. As slow as it takes. Do that a few times till you get comfortable with it, and then we're on to the next part. Trills are hard. Trills are somewhat of an advanced maneuver, but I recommend that you do it between your thumb and your 3rd finger. Then take that whole section, the hardest part, and just play it over and over. Again and again. Repetition is the key to everything. You got to build it in deeply to your muscle memory if you want to do more and more complicated things. Have fun practicing.